To access elements in the list, we must use the index. So indexes start at 0. That means the first element in our list is at index 0. The syntax for accessing that element is the list name, brackets, and the value of the index. In this case, student grades is the list name, and 0 is the value of the index inside the brackets. Now, if we want to print the fifth element of the list, we will use our list name and index 4 inside the brackets. And as you can see, 78 is printed, which is the fifth element at the fourth index. To change values in our list, we use the same syntax for accessing elements. That is list name, brackets, and the index inside that list. Then we use the equals sign and then the value we want to change the element to the list in. So here we are changing the first element, which is 15, which is at index 0, to the value of 20. And I'm going to print the list before the change is made and after the change is made. In the first statement, I'm printing the element at index 0, and in the second print statement, I'm printing the whole list after the change. So as we can see, before change 15, we changed it to 20, and now it is equal to 20. You can use the input function to change the value of an element in the list. So here we are creating a variable called value, and we're getting the user to input a value. We want an integer, so we have to use int to change it from string to value. The data type of the inputted value is a string, so we use the int function to change it to an integer. So now let's change the third element in our list to the value inputted by the user. So as you can see here, the third element is at index 2. And finally, we will print the list to see that the value has changed. So when we run the program, it'll ask us to enter a value. So we'll enter the value 44, and when we print our list, we will see that the third element has changed from 9 to 44.